Huawei's new P series is going to be announced really soon, and we're really excited. But for now, Huawei has another surprise up its sleeves. This is our Huawei Nova 2 Lite unboxing and hands-on. The box is reminiscent of the Huawei Nova 2i from 5 months ago, but this is a completely different phone. Let's lift this open. Wrapped in plastic is the Huawei Nova 2 Lite itself, and this one is in blue. I really wish that brands didn't put their phones in plastic. But let's set that aside for now and check out what else is inside the box. A SIM ejector tool, a charging adapter, and a micro USB cable. And that's it. No jelly case, no earphones. Most likely they're doing this to keep the price really low. First impressions, it looks real good in this shade of blue. You know I love this color. The build materials are plastic, but it doesn't really feel like it. In fact, it's more reminiscent of glass with this reflective sheen. While we power on the phone, roll spec sheet. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 430 with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and Android 8.0 Oreo. The Nova 2 Lite sports a 5.99-inch display encased in the body of a 6.5-inch phone, so there's just a little bit of forehead and chin going on. Resolution maxes out at 720p, but has a full-view 18:9 panel also seen on the Nova 2i. This means you get more content since the phone is taller. We really like how budget and mid-range phones are now getting features just seen only months ago on premium top-of-the-line flagships. Here in front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera with its own toning flash that promises to up your selfie game in low light. Here's a sample. It also has the perfect selfie feature seen on the Huawei P10 that creates a user profile based on the edits you want. At the back, a dual camera setup. 13 and 2 megapixel sensors, the latter is used to give your photos that nice blurred background. To do this, open the camera app, enable wide aperture, and you get to adjust the aperture level. We tried it though, and the results don't really show that much of a difference. It also comes with face detection autofocus to ensure sharp images and quick autofocus. We've shot some moving subjects and it does a decent job of minimizing motion blur. The phone can handle everyday tasks without hiccups, and games run well on low to medium settings. For security, you get a fingerprint sensor here at the back and face unlock. During the day, when there's plenty of light, it takes less than a second to unlock the phone. But when it gets darker, unlock times take a little bit longer. The Huawei Nova 2 Lite will be available this March, and this is what pricing looks like across Southeast Asia. And that was our Huawei Nova 2 Lite unboxing and hands-on. If you'd like to see more Huawei videos, including our coverage of the Huawei P20 launch from Paris, France, you know the drill folks, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. We will be there. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.